Everyone, myself Professor Suryavanshi Satish Vishwasrao. I welcome you all in math learning session. Now, today we are going to start, or today we are going to discuss the logarithm, how to find the given example by using the logarithmic differentiation. So let us see. So let y is equal to x raised to power a plus x raised to power x plus a raised to power x plus a raised to power 0. So give number 1 here. Now differentiate this function with respect to x here. Then now dy by dx is equal to derivative of x raised to power a plus derivative of x raised to power x plus derivative of a raised to power x plus derivative of a raised to power 0. So therefore dy by dx is equal to, how to find the derivative of x raised to power a? By using this formula, derivative of x raised to power n is a standard formula. So how to apply? N x raised to power n minus 1. Then apply this formula n x raised to power n minus 1 here. It is n means a x raised to power a minus 1 plus derivative of x raised to power x plus, then apply the standard formula here. So you know that derivative of a raised to power x is a raised to power x into log of a. Now apply this formula here, a raised to power x into log of a plus a is a constant, derivative of constant is 0. So therefore dy by dx is equals to a x raised to power a minus 1 plus derivative of x raised to power x plus a raised to power x into log of a. So give number 2 here. Now how to find this derivative? So apply the logarithmic differentiation formula. If a function raised to power function is given, then you take log on both sides. So now let us consider. So let w is equals to x raised to power x. Then how to differentiate this function? By taking log on both sides. So log of w is equals to log of x raised to power x by taking log on both sides. So therefore log of w is x times log of x. After complete simplification, you have to differentiate this function with respect to x here. Now derivative of log of w is 1 upon w into derivative of w by dx. Then apply the product rule here. First function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function, apply the product rule here. So now 1 upon w dw by dx is equals to derivative of log of x is 1 upon x, means x into 1 upon x plus derivative of x is 1, means log x into 1. So x cancel. So therefore dw by dx is equals to w times 1 plus log of x. Then what is the value of w? X raised to power x. And then we put the value of w here. dw by dx is equals to x raised to power x plus 1 plus log of x. Now substitute this value dw by dx in this equation number 2. So we get, now substitute this value here. So dy by dx is equal to a x raised to power a minus 1 plus. Now substitute the value of derivative of x raised to power x that you have to find here. Substitute this value, x raised to power x into bracket 1 plus log x plus a raised to power x into log a raised to power x into log of a is the required value of this function. So now consider second example. So now take second example. So let y is equal to sin x raised to power cos of x plus cos x raised to power sin of x. Give number here. So how to differentiate this function with respect to x by using logarithmic differentiation. Now consider. So let u is equal to function sin x raised to power cos of x. When we apply the logarithmic differentiation, if power raised to power is given, then we apply logarithmic differentiation, then it is easy to find the value. So now taking log on both the sides, so log u is equal to log of function sin x raised to power cos of x, then log of u is equal to cos x into log of sin x. Apply this formula, log a raised to power n can be written as n times log of a. Now after complete simplification, differentiate this function with respect to x. Then derivative of log of u is 1 upon u into derivative of u is du by dx. Then apply product formula, function cos x derivative of log of sin of x plus log of sin of x into derivative of cos of x. Apply the product formula, 1 upon u du by dx is equal to cos of x into derivative of log of sin x is 1 upon sin of x into derivative of sin x, which is cos of x, plus log of sin x into derivative of cos x is minus sin of x. Then 1 upon u du by dx is equal to cos x into cos upon sin, which is cot x, then minus plus minus sin of x into log of sin of x. So therefore du by dx is equals to u times cos x into cot x minus sin x into log of sin of x. And then substitute the value of u here, then du by dx is equal to, what is the value of u here, sin x raised to power cos x into bracket cos x into cot x, cos x into cot x minus sin x into log of sin of x. Give number 2 here. Now consider this function is equal to say b. So let v is equal to function cos x raised to power sin x. Now taking log on both the sides, so log of cos x raised to power sin of x, then log v is equal to sin of x into log of cos x. Then differentiate this function with respect to x. Derivative of log v is 1 upon v into derivative of v, which is dv by dx. Then of first function, derivative of second function, log of cos x plus log of cos x into derivative of sin of x. Then dv by dx is equals to v times into bracket sin x into derivative of log of cos x is 1 upon cos of x into derivative of cos x is minus sin of x plus log of cos x into derivative of sin x is cos of x, and then substitute the value of v here, cos x raised to power sin x. So dv by dx is equals to cos x raised to power sin of x into bracket, it is minus sin x into sin upon cos, which is tan of x, plus cos x into log of cos of x. Then rewrite the example. So dv by dx is equal to cos x raised to power sin of x. Then rewrite this, cos x into log of cos x minus sin x into tan of x. So give number 3 here. Then by using dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx formula, means we apply addition formula here by adding equation number 2 and 3. Adding equation 2 and 3, so it is dy by dx is equals to sin x raised to power cos x into bracket cos x into cot x minus sin x into log of sin x, sin x into log of sin x plus dv by dx is cos x raised to power sin x into bracket cos x log of cos x into log of cos x minus sin x into tan x, sin x into tan x. So in this way finish this example by using logarithmic differentiation. This is a very important example as examination of point of view here. So now consider third example. Similarly, we can solve this. Consider third example. So let y is equals to root x raised to power x plus x raised to power root x. So give number 1 here. So now let us consider u is equals to root x raised to power x. Then taking log on both the sides, log u is log of root x raised to power x is log u is equals to x times log of root x. Now differentiate this function with respect to x, and then derivative of log of u is 1 upon u du by dx is equal to, apply product rule. First function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first. So then du by dx is equals to u times into bracket x into derivative of log of root x is 1 upon root x into derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 times root x plus log of root x into derivative of x is 1. So du by dx is equals to, put the value of u here, root x raised to power x into bracket, square and square root cancel, it is x into 1 upon 2 times x plus log of root x, then x cancel, du by dx is equals to root x raised to power x, x cancel, which is half, plus log of root x. Again it can be simplified as du by dx is equal to root x raised to power x is, by taking cross multiplication, it is 1 plus 2 times log of root x upon 2 give number. Now let v is equals to x raised to power root x. How to solve this? By taking logarithmic differentiation on both the sides. So log v is equals to log of x raised to power root x. So log v is equals to root x into log of x. By using the formula, log a raised to power n is equal to n times log of a. Now differentiate this function with respect to x. Then derivative of log of v is 1 upon v dv by dx is equals to first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Now 1 upon v dv by dx is equals to root x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log of x into derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 times root x. Then dv by dx is equal to v times root x upon x plus log x upon 2 times root x. Now substitute the value of v also. dv by dx is equals to, so what is the value of v? X root x into bracket. So x can be written as root x upon root x into root x. X can be written as root x into root x plus log x upon 2 times root x. Now simplify, root x cancel, dv by dx is equal to x raised to power root x into bracket, 1 root x is cancelled, it is 1 upon root x plus log x upon 2 times root x. Then dv by dx is equal to x raised to power root x into bracket. Now by taking LCM, so multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, means 2 plus log x upon 2 times root x, give number 3 here. Now by using this formula, dy by dx is equals to dy by dx plus dv by dx. Then now adding 2 and 3, so we get dy by dx is equals to, what is the value of du by dx is root x raised to power x into bracket 1 plus 2 times log of root x upon x plus upon 2 upon 2 plus x raised to power root x into bracket 2 plus log x upon 2 times root x is the required derivative of this function by using logarithmic differentiation. Similarly, in this way we can solve this remaining example by using logarithmic differentiation. Thank you very much.